Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to discreetly view stories on Instagram. Your friend won't notice it and won't be able to know that you viewed their story. To do this, you go into Instagram. And for example, I want to view this profile here. Now we need to click on this circle and click on the button View Profile. We've opened the profile, and then click on the three dots in the top corner of the screen and copy the link to this profile. Now you're out of Instagram. Go to any browser, and here you need to find a website called savefrom.net. Rewrite the name. You go to that site and paste the link into this line and click on this button. It searches, and then you click on the Stories button and download it, or just click and view it right on the site. As you can see, it's a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.